Good morning dear students, and I will take revision from chapter 13, and name of the chapter 13 is the water. Test number 2. I will give you question answers and you have to write in your GSC copy or you have to write in rough copy. You will take revision. And this is the question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank. First one, we all need dash to live. We all need dash to live. You have to fill in this blank space. And second one, dash is the main source of water. Is the main source of water. Is the main source of water. You have to fill in this. And then third one, water from a river is cleaned and stored in big dash. Water from a river is cleaned and stored in big dash. You have to fill in this one. Now come to the fourth one. Impure water is harmful to dash. Impure water is harmful to dash. Now come to the fifth one. The availability of fresh water is too scarce. The availability of fresh water is to dash. You have to fill in this one. This is your fill in the blanks from the chapter 13. We all need dash to live, and dash is the main source of water, and water from river is cleaned and stored in big dash. And fourth one, impure water is harmful to dash. You have to fill in this one. And the fifth one, the availability of fresh water is to dash. And now come to the next one. Next one is a true false, and you have to write true false. I will give the question and you have to write answers. True false. Next one is a true false. True false. You have to write T for true and F for false. We can live without water. First one, we can live without water. We can live without water. We can live without water. You have to write whether it is true or whether it is false. You have to write true or false. Now come to the second one. Second one is the all water is safe to drink. Second one is the all water is safe to drink. All water is safe to drink. This is the second one. And third one, to purify water, we must boil and filter it. To purify water, we must boil and filter it. We must boil and filter it. And next one, sea water is too salty. Sea water is too salty. And next one, farmers draw underground water through tube wells. Farmers draw underground water. Farmers draw underground water through tube wells. Through tube wells. So this is the true or false, and you have to write whether it is true or false. First one is the we can live without water and all water is safe to drink. Third one, to purify water we must boil and filter it. Fourth one, sea water is too salty. And fifth one, farmers draw underground water through tube wells. And now come to the answer the following. This is the answer the following. D. Answer the following. Answer the following. First one, list some uses of water. List some uses of water. Second question, what are the sources of water? What are the sources of water? Question number 3, how do we get underground water? How do we get underground water? How do we get underground water? Question number 4, how can we make water safe for drinking? How can we make water safe for drinking? Safe for drinking. Fifth one, what should we do to save water? What should we do? What should we do to save water? What should we do to save water? So first one, list some uses of water. It is used for bathing, cooking, drinking, and for etc. purposes. And the second one is what are the sources of water? Means rain is the main source of water. And how do we get underground water? We get underground water by digging the tube wells. And how can we make water safe for drinking? By boiling or by filtering we can make the water safe for drinking. And next question is what should we do to save water? What should we do to save water? And for save water we can never leave the tap running, close the tap after use, and do not make the water dirty. So this is the chapter 13, and you will take revision of chapter 13. I have given some questions and I have discussed answers of the questions. Answer the following. I have discussed answers, and these questions you have to write in rough copy, and after that answers you have to write with yourselves. First questions you have to write in rough copy, then answers you have to write with yourself. This is the revision, and this is all about chapter 13. So you will take revision of chapter 13. Exams are coming, so you will take revision properly. You have to write all questions in the rough copy, and then answers you have to write with yourselves.